is up, everybody? It's Sunday morning. Wind is howling out of the west. It's supposed to go to as much as 40 today. So I cut it short. I didn't get out to where I normally have been fishing here the last week. I'm going to try the western end because the waves are going to be less. The wind's still blowing, but the waves are less. And I'm going to see what happens. I haven't been here and I haven't done much here. I haven't fished here much in a while, really since the spring. But it's holding a lot of perch, so let's see if there's any predators in and around here, and then we'll see what happens. Thanks for joining me. Stay tuned. There. That's a 26-inch pickerel out here in 20 foot of water. Go figure. First cast. That was a hole-in-one. Hole-in-one. Hit it on the fall. First keeper of the day. Second keeper. These schools right now are so hyper aggressive. They're hitting it on the fall, and it's so much fun. They're hitting it, they're straightening the line out. I mean, they're just crushing it. Holy shnikes, did he get that? Oh, holy cow, whatever that was, whaled it going the other way. his mouth. A whole treble hook. Hole in one. It's nothing big, but it's still fun. Giant perch. From a windy, wild, wonderful Oneida Lake. Happy Sunday. Keep your tip up.